Hi, Maurice. My name is Edipo Kuleperetebepa. My student ID is 124255106, and that's my index page URL for my website. This is going to be a very brief demo for my website, how it works. Yes, this is the index page for the website. As you can see, I deliberately did this just I mean, that's meant to be where the company name is. I assume it's my company. That's why you have my first name there. The contact number, the email for the where they could contact the company, and this the social media links, the login link, and all that. Now, this shows the upcoming seminars. You have the Silver Jubilee event coaching. All these ones where I populated them from command prompt. I generated them from inserted into the table for the seminar just for demo. So that's where I was able to get some of these things from a website. Generate data.com. Okay, that's right. So now if you click on each and every one of this, it shows the information for different seminars, upcoming seminars, terms of use for upcoming seminars, about us, about the website, the portal, and the privacy policy. Now, for a user to register for a seminar, what he needs to do, he must first log in. Now, if you click on the login page, you find out that it gives you two forms. Sign up form, or if you have you're an old user. For a new user, let's say his name is Maurice Jack. Let's say his email is jackboo@outlook.com, and let's say his password is jackboo. Okay, if you click it's signed up already, so we could come here and say, okay, what's his name again? Jack Boo. Honestly, I've forgotten. At outlook.com. Yes, then the password is Jack Boo. Now, if you click on login, it's gone in. You could decide to save that from your browser that wants to store the cookie. Now, I created a cookie that would hold the name of the user and the broadcast, so to say, if I use that word. It's going to print it again. Welcome with a welcome salutation. Okay, now the user, if you click here, the attendee or the user of can come here and say these are the three events he could register for. He could clicks on one and clicks on register. Thank you, your registration was complete. That's about the registration for seminar. Now, if you click on login, you can log him out now. Now, from the other end of the user, you have what they call the admin panel, where you have the login. So they say this is like the index for the dashboard for the portal. Now, this is the default, what I created, admin@gmail.com, and the password is simply admin. So I keep it here so I don't have to forget it. And this is the dashboard. It shows you all total numbers of users registered and total numbers of seminars available in this portal. Now, for the aspect of when we say, okay, fine, you want you want, if you come to the brief says you want the user should be able to know, the management should be able to get involved in terms of the viewing of the management should be able to view, get overview for past and upcoming seminars. Now if you come here, that's management overview. You click on this, you see the seminar name, you see the username for those. If you choose to do click on that, then you've activated those seminars. Anyone you see that is turned off, it's deactivated. So let's assume that I mean, a seminar that has been passed, it's going to be turned off. Now if you want to delete a seminar, all you just need to do is just click here and you accept it. Now for the management, like I said, it's almost the same thing, but the difference is that this time you have the date, the time status, which you could turn off and activate again. You could update, obviously you could change this to PM, you could change this to 16, everything works. So you could choose to click delete one also. Fair enough, it's going to go. That's the good thing about the real-time coding of this website. Like I said, the management overview for the admin. Now for the user, let's say a user is having issues and he has forgotten his email and all that. He now sends an email and all that. He wants to know how can you help him. After he calls the number on the top, how do we help? Okay, now we go in here as administrator. We could decide to log him out. We could decide to delete him. We could decide to delete his record. We could decide to update it for him manually, or you tell him where the faults are coming from and all that. Then this is the management of the user, where you could disable a user, you can enable, you could update details of the user, you could delete the user, like I said. Now you could add a user from here too, instead of adding from the other from this point. Instead of adding from there, you could decide to add a user from here too. And that is more detailed, granting privileges when you are granting permissions for different users. This is where you do it. For the settings, like it's just major settings for like these ones for all the social media stuff. You can change the URLs if you want to. The profile for the administrator, you change all that. Then to change the password, you change it. Then you can now log out from there. Before I stop, I'm going to show you the last bit of it for the real time. I'm going to delete something here, and I want you to see how it's going to be deleted from a different browser. I can assure you it works the same for a computer too, but because I have only one computer here, so I'm trying to make do with what I have. Okay, so if I click on this and it opens the same page. Sorry about that. My time is almost fast spent. Please. Okay, let's say admin at gmail.com, admin, like I said, and let's still put it that way. Okay, now I'm going to try and reduce this so that you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to go to manage seminar, and I'm going to delete this. Please watch out what happens here. You see, it's deleted here. It's not working here because of I guess it's meant to be best working on separate computers, but that's that about my website. Thank you. Hello, my name is Edipo Kule Peretapapa, and I'm here to show you my video demo for my hotel booking system done with Java. It's a standalone application, means it's all self or efficient, no database structure. Okay, you can see the folder. You have different things here: the folder for images, the folder for the build where you have your classes, empty generated outputs, and projects. You have some library built-in functions. You could add these ones, and they make life easy for you. So straight to business. If you double click the dist, inside the dist you have the holiday booking system, which is the main link to the app. So if you double click this, it opens the login page where you input user as the ID and red art as the password. If you click on this, it opens that and shows you the main application. Now in this situation, you have three countries which you can select for the holiday destination. You have the ninth. Accommodation type is not accepted yet. The reason why is because none of these are checked yet. You have number of persons, which hasn't been done. You have this child and the date and all. So let's pick, for example, we're going to create let's pick a better example. Okay, let's use Paris, and let's use the number of nights to be 10. Let's select hotel. The number of adults, let's pick 1. Number of children, 0. Let's select the date. The date for this event, let's say 13/05/2015. Yes. Then the second one, let's say to 23/05/2015. Yes. Now personnel, we're going to select, I will select 0. I just want 0. Now once you click this is going to get all this data added into the text and the PDF file. Like I said, it will hold that data and store it into what they call it, the PDF format. So once you click on this, you can see it shows you the total amount, and if you click on this to tell you invoice created at location blah blah blah, that's that. So if you now come here and now look for the invoice, you can see that is your invoice. So that is that about my application. Thank you for watching.